Yes. Q.
Hi, I'm Benesh. I'm the CEO of the Think to Do Institute, which is located in the island of Corsou.
I saw that today you have a presentation that you just made for the Parliament of Aruba. How did you feel?
It was great, very receptive and very open-minded, and very interested in the role that research can play in resilient development.
All right. Can you maybe explain in a short version how the presentation is?
Yes, the presentation was focused on the role of social cohesion, how we get along with each other, and trust, and its impact on master planning.
Okay. And I heard and I saw a video, a presentation video that you made, and you presented today. How do you feel that they receive it?
I saw a lot of smiles on their faces and a lot of nodding as the video was playing. And afterwards, they shared with me that they see the importance of focusing on social cohesion in the development or the improvement of a master plan for Aruba.
I saw a little bit of the social, I mean, for the children, you know, transportation. How did you come with that?
Well, the research says that for people to feel as though they belong to a community, that they have to feel that they are included, okay? So some of the research that is done about labor force development is that some of the barriers to employment or exclusion are transportation and childcare. So how do we realize how many of our people have trouble with transportation, for example, and if we improve that through good transportation policy, that might bring more people into the workforce and they would feel more included in our society.